When are you expecting, I guess, the water levels to peak here?
Oh, we were forecasting 85 to 100 cubic meters a second for this morning. It did come in at 77 cubic meters a second at 6 a.m. this morning. We continue to have warm weather and windy conditions in the Swift Current area for today. So we're thinking we're going to get additional local inflow over the day and into the night again.
So when are you expecting it to peak then? Later this evening, or do you know?
Well, I would think we're probably going to see tomorrow morning again a possible peak in the range that we forecasted for today.